Christmas tree for the first time. Ang ganda dito, guys. Exciting. So, meron pala silang complimentary treats like chocolates and some cookies. Okay, so sobrang ganda dito sa Benjamin Christmas Farm.
Benjamin Tree Farm.
Benjamin Tree Farm, ayan. Dito lang siya sa may Waterloo area. Malapit lang din to sa Kitchener. And meron pa silang pa-free drinks and some snacks, treats. Tsaka sa loob, ang daming mga like mga ornaments, crafts, and you can cut your own tree outside. Yeah, super fun here. So guys, yung mga pre-cut na. And then yung price niya is like $149. We have here $109. And then this one is $159. Fresh tree. So, ito na. Magkakat na kami ng tree. Meron siyang lagare, tsaka wagon.
Let's go.
Let's go!
The clearance, the trees from the green tag.
Okay.
Then yellow tags, $55. Red tag, $70. The all other else is $83. Okay, so green cheapest, yellow mint, red is
Guys, naghahanap kami ng green tag kasi ito yung mas mura.
39.
So, ayan siya. Okay naman siya. Yeah. Ito rin. Green tag din yan. So, ayan. Ayan guys. Kita nyo, puro Christmas trees. Hangin. Malamig. Pero sobrang saya nito activity guys. Lalo na for kids. Dami namin nakita doon ng maraming mga bata. Enjoy talaga sila. It's really an experience. Sana matry nyo rin to guys. Super fun talaga. Yan guys na parang wagon. Merong yellow na para siyang for big trees. And for small, yung ganyan. Ay, okay din siya. Okay din ang shape niya. Di ba?
Yeah. Parang
Yan ah. That's the one?
that's the other.
Napili niyang tree kasi gusto niya yung green na green yung kulay. So, hindi naman ganun ka perfect yung shape niya, pero okay naman siya. Like,
Yeah, tutulan lang isa.
okay, start na siya! Woo! Lalagari na siya! Time to do the layover! There's our tree, guys.
Oh, ano, baka masira siya, no?
Okay lang. Go. Yan na guys. Yan na kanyang Christmas tree. We're going home. Tree. Going home with us.
The first tree.
Our first tree.
Kapag kaya ito sa
Yan na guys. Our first tree. Ayan guys, ito na yung tree namin. So after that, magbayad kami sa cashier. Bayad kami sa cashier. O yan, tapos puputasan nila. Kumusta ang ano mo, pag-cut mo?
Actually, it's not too straight.
Ha?
My cut, the way I cut is not straight.
Ah, okay lang. I-ano nila yan. I-straight na nila yan. Yung nakuha namin tree, ano, medyo chubby tree siya. Chubby tree. Yan, it's snowing. Tapos yan, straight natin na yung tree. Yan. Hello guys, ito na yung Christmas tree. Nauwi na namin sa bahay. So, nirap nila, tapos yung sa dulo, ano nila, parang finernish yung pagkakakat. So, yeah, there you go. Ito na guys. Bumili pala kami ng stand doon sa Benjamin Farm. Worth $40 yung stand niya.
I don't know.
Guys, ito na yung Christmas tree. Ang bango niya guys, sobrang bango as in.
Cool, no?
Para siyang ano, prutas, yung pagka, ano niya, yung pine tree smell. Ayan. Tapos yung stand, binili namin din dun sa Benjamin Farm. Worth, I guess, magkano yun? $40? Tapos, itong tree mismo is $40 din. So, yun. All in all, $80. Yan. So, mag-prepare tayo ngayon kasi lalabas tayo. So, meron akong beanie and my scarf and then parka. Dahil sobrang lamig ngayon, parka ang susuotin natin. Meron din naman ako down jacket, guys. Normally, sinusuot ko yan pag mga -5, ganun. Pero ngayon, dahil feels like -20, kailangan nakaparka. And guys, tapos, mag-snow boots ako mamaya. Hi guys! So, lalabas tayo ngayon. Ito ang aking outfit of the day, OOTD. Hi guys! Dito ko tayo ngayon sa Victoria Park, Kitchener. Yan, -15 feels like -20. So, ayan, nakaparka tayo ngayon. So, ano nga ba yung mga kailangan i-prepare sa winter? So, kailangan nyo ng magandang klase na jacket na kaya ang Canadian winter. Itong suot ko, parka, which is kaya niya yung -30 na temperature sa labas. I have my gloves, beanie, and my winter boots. Ayan guys. So, dito sa Canada guys, wala kaming kotse. So, nag-commute talaga kami pag winter, ganyan. Marami naman ng mga buses dito. Tsaka, meron tram. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-Uber, okay yung transportation dito sa Kitchener, I would say. Kaya, okay naman. Kaya rin naman ng winter so far. Tsaka, hindi naman kasi kami everyday nagko-commute kasi work from home kami ng asawa ko. So, ayun, sa bahay lang or kapag may pupuntahan, may bibilin, saka lang kami lalabas o pupunta sa church. Ganyan. Kaya, as of now, hindi pa kami bumibili ng kotse dito sa Canada. Though, iba-iba naman yung natin, diba? Yung situation natin. Kaya, yun guys. Anong masabi mo sa winter experience mo dito sa Canada?
It's awesome. I love the snowflakes when like mainit.
Flurry.
Like when it's not too cold.
Yeah.
But when it's sunny and you see the snowflakes falling, it's pretty dramatic actually. But there are times that you just wanna, it's borderline painful. Like yesterday, it was like -18. So you wanna make sure you have this, even indoors I use this, what do you call this?
Scarf.
Scarf. And yeah.
Can you talk about your outfit ngayon na nasa labas ka?
Boots, winter
see?
boots.
Okay.
So it's like, it's not like super high boots, but it keeps my feet warm. And then I have my pants is actually
Ski pants.
not exactly ski, but I can use it for ski. But it's good. Yeah, it's outdoor for winter outdoor.
And then you have parka.
And then I have a parka. So it's like almost knee level. And then I have my handy dandy winter gloves. And beanie, and of course it helps if you have the hoodie. But it's a hoodie, so it covers the entire ear, which is one of your weaknesses. Yeah, that's about it.
Thanks. Nice. Hi guys! Ngayon ay -4, feels like -13. Nag-snow.
Bigyan ko siya ng dalawa.
Nandito kami ngayon sa St. Jacob's Village.
Hey, what
And
up?
it's snowing.
Ah,
Lalakad tayo?
yeah. You go there.
Ganda guys, parang Christmas pa rin dito sa Canada. Kahit na ano na, February na! Yan! Medyo malalaki yung mga snow ngayon, no? Yan mo.
Let's go. Bigyan ko siya ng dalawa.
Street!
St. Jacob's.
St. Jacob's!
Where's the... Dito ba yan? Yung usual ko na pataran
Yeah.
yan.
Hi! Normally, pinupuntahan namin to kapag nagbabike kami nung summer. Ngayon, pupuntahan natin siya ng winter. Yan pala dito sa Canada, iba-ibang region, iba-iba din yung winter experience and temperature. Dito sa Ontario, ang pinaka malamig na experience namin so far sa 3 years namin dito ay -21 and it feels like -25. And this year yun.
Lalo.
Lalim nito. Oh my gosh.
It's only there because of they're filing it.
Oh my goodness. Sobrang lalim na. Hala siya. Okay, this one ganda tayo na. Pero madagdag na kami yung ano ko. Baka mapasukan ng yelo yung boots ko. Hala. Lalim nga. Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa St. Jacob's sa Snow. Itong nakikita nyo dito, river yan, na frozen siya. Dito kami normally nagbabike kapag summer, pero ngayon, ito itsura niya kapag winter. Nakikita nyo meron dito parang boat na design. Kasi nga river yun guys. Tingnan nyo, it's frozen! Woo!
Masabi ko sa Ontario specifically, okay man siya. Like it's for the most part maganda siya. Like what you know, it's not that cold. Everything looks like pretty and white, right? As you can see, and it's just the white snow makes it more pretty because sometimes it gets very gloomy, like if you look at the sky, but then the white snow makes everything more radiant. So hindi siya masyadong nakaka-depress. Because as you know, winter you only have very few activities, right? And most of them are indoor activities. So these are the good things you can do. Even winter, they can do skiing, maybe snowshoeing, and these types of like hiking. But it's better when it's really snowing rather than just like just wet and cold. So that's a good thing I think Ontario has. Yeah.